In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam on your laptop or PC in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process as quick and easy as possible. To start, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Maybe you've got Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. From there, just navigate to the search bar and type in Steam. This will be your first step towards accessing a world of incredible games and communities. Press enter, and you'll see a list of search results pop up. Next, take a moment to scan through these results until you spot the official Steam website link. You'll usually find it right up there, front and center, as one of the top few links. It's important to click on this official link to ensure you're downloading Steam from a legitimate source. Clicking on this link will transport you right to the Steam homepage. Once you're on the Steam website, locate the Install Steam button. Typically, this is prominently displayed on the upper part of the page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to another page with more details about the Steam client. As you reach this new page, you'll see an Install Steam button again, just to make sure you're in the right place. Hit that button to initiate the download. You can rest assured that this button leads to a secure download of the Steam installer software. With the installation process underway, let's open up your File Explorer. You can usually find it either on your taskbar or by searching for it in the Start menu. Your downloads generally reside within the Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Open that up and find the steamsetup.exe file, which is the installer you've just downloaded. Now here's a pro tip to ensure you don't encounter permission issues. Right click on the steamsetup.exe file. When a drop down menu appears, click on Run as Administrator. This grants the installer the necessary permissions to function correctly and prevent any potential hiccups during installation. Finally, follow the prompts in the Steam installer. The setup process is quite user-friendly, guiding you with easy to understand instructions. Simply click Next when prompted, choose your desired installation location if different from the default, and give it a moment to complete. And there you have it, a straightforward way to download Steam on your laptop or PC. This should equip you with all you need to start browsing and adding games to your library. Enjoy your gaming adventure, and thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.